Hey, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're viewing this video from. Okay, today we'll be making a new video concerning what's the best time frame for you to make your forex analysis from. Okay, as a struggling trader back in the days, I always wonder how do these guys make money from the forex market and what does it entails to make money from the forex market, because the forex market has to do with buy and sell of commodities. Okay, not basically like foodstuff commodities, but it has to do with currency pairs. Take for example the Great Britain, which is also known as GBP, and the United States dollars and the United States dollars. Okay, so it has to do with buying of the GBP and selling of the dollars in order for you to make profit. So I've always wondered, how do these proof traders make money in this market? Now, before I go down to this video, I want you to like, subscribe, and share the channel to other people in order for them to understand better how to do these things. Okay, I'll be diving down to my screen so I can show you what it entails. Okay, but right now I'll be sharing my ideas and my opinions about the best time frames for you to make your forex analysis from. Okay, so that you can make the right informed judgment in this market, so as you make so you can also make money from this market too. Okay, so now we're going down to my screen. Okay, so guys, welcome to my screen, and now we'll be discussing about the time frames traders take their trades from. So we'll be starting from firstly the position size trader. Okay, the position trader. Who is a position trader? A position trader is a person or a trader that holds his trade from 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, or within the year. Okay, so he's a position trader. He holds it from 1 month to the next, or from 1 month to 6 months, or some of them even for like 8 months to 10 months they hold their trades. Okay, so now the time frames that these people analyze that their market from is, we have the weekly time frame here. The weekly time frame here, as you can see, the W is the weekly time frame. Okay, so take for example, now this is a chart. Okay, starting from, let's say, this low right now here, this low right now, let me mark it out. So let's say this low right now, okay, is the low of last year. Okay, it's even very low. It's the low of last year. Okay, so let's say a position trader of last year understands that, okay, this market might retrace in the coming year. Okay, he will now decide to change from his sell position that he's having, or take for example, liquidate his sell position that he's having, to a buy positions. So maybe after doing his basic analysis, okay, he'll be like, okay, I want to buy this market right now. Yeah, so now he decides to buy this market on, let's say, Monday, 3rd of October 2022, and decide to hold this market up to right now that we are recording this video, which is on the 19th of June 2023. Okay, so these are position traders. They make their analysis from the weekly. Okay, yes, weekly. They also do it from the daily. Now the reason why they do this analysis from the daily time frame is because the information available on the weekly time frame is not enough to make informed decisions. Okay, because the markets from one time frame to another time frame looks different, and the movement from the day the weekly time frames to the daily time frames are different also. So you need to zoom down a little in order for you to make informed decisions about the market. So if you can see, okay, right then in the daily, you can see the market from here, but right now in the day, sorry, from the weekly, but right now in the daily, you can see the market a little bit detailed. Okay, in order for you to understand where you can take your positions from. So let's use this trend line tools. Okay, let's use this trend line tools to draw a trend line to find out where a position trader might likely decide to add positions to his trade, or decides to liquidate the positions he has already have. Okay, so sorry guys, I'm using my one hand right now. I don't have hand holder. or whatever you call it. I'm using my hand right now to hold the camera, so mind you, it might be shaky a little, but don't worry, it will still serve. Okay, let me just give you some small tips of following up these channels. That's what they call the trend line strategy. Okay, it has to do with first touch, second touch here, okay, and the third touch. And let's say we have had first touch, which is this place here. This is the first touch. Okay, so now this is the second touch. Yes, and if you notice, the second touch, it's higher than the first touch. This is the higher of the first touch, this is the second touch. So we might be anticipating that, okay, that after this touch, this is a bearish candle, maybe at the touch of this place, okay, might go higher than this high. Okay, so I'm anticipating that if a position trader wants to capitalize on this market, he might wait for this bearish candle to close here and look for a way to capitalize, maybe buy extra to make it to another high. Okay, so we have talked about the weekly time frame, talked about the daily time frame. Now we're talking about the 4 hours time frame right now. So if you can see, as we are in the 4 hours time frame, the chart is looking way more detailed, okay, from the first weekly time frame you saw. The chart is looking way more detailed now. You can see there's so much information for you to capitalize. So in as much as the position trader is looking for buy setup, okay, you can still look for a sell setup before getting his buy setup, because the market moves like a wave, an ocean wave, from one place to another. Okay, it's not stagnant. The market is always moving. As you can see, market is always moving, So, okay, so for, if you notice from the previous time frame, which is the daily, okay, you can see it was making a bearish move. Okay, so as you can see, it was making a bearish move. So I want you to see it clearer right now. Okay, as you can see, the market is going down right now. Okay, the position trader might be looking for opportunities to buy the market when it comes to this point. Okay, when it comes to this line, according to trend line strategy. So this is like a bonus tip for you guys that's following up on this YouTube channel. Okay, so you just have to be very patient and wait to get to this point, since he's in the 4 hours time frame right now. Okay, yes, this way he'll be looking forward to take extra this way he'll be looking forward to take extra positions on his buy setups. Okay, so depending on the market conditions. So this brings us to the wrap of the position trader, okay, and how he takes his trade. Okay, yeah, so now let's go down to the swing trader. Okay, let's go down to the swing trader. The swing trader is the second person in the trading industry, and his pattern of trading is according to his personality. Now, who is a swing trader? A swing trader is a person that holds his trade from one day to another, or from 1 week to another, but basically he holds his trade for not less than 1 to 2 months. Okay, he can hold his trade from 1 day to 2 days, 1 week to 2 weeks, and maybe 2 weeks to a month or 2 months. Okay, depending on the setup he's having on the market. So how does the swing trader makes his analysis? His analysis is not quite different from the position trader. It's just, there's just some differences in the time frames. Okay, so what here is, actually already established through this trend line that this is a bullish trend. Okay, actually I didn't say it earlier, but this is GBP USD. I only trade GBP USD for now. Okay, yeah, so the swing trader make his analysis from the daily. Okay, yes, makes analysis from the daily. Yeah, so if he comes down on the daily, okay, he would be like, okay, according to this trend line, it is a bullish trend. Okay, this is the lowest of last year. This is lowest of, so he will now come down to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, to identify what is really going on in the market right now, because since the market is on a bullish trend, there's still opportunities for you to sell the market before the market continue going down bullish. So he now looks for an opportunity to capitalize on this market, to make profit from this market. Okay, this is a bullish trend, mind you. This is GBP/USD. This is a bullish trend. So right now the market is retracing a little. Okay, by retracing I mean it is resting, coming down, to give other people's opportunity to take a position. So right now this is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, he'll be waiting either to take a trade from this zone, okay, taking it all up for now. So he might hold this trade for 1 week or 2 weeks depending on his strategy. Okay, so we'll be waiting to take a trade from this zone, this 1.26500 zone. Yeah, or he can still wait till this touch of this trend line. So his own trade strategy starts from the 4 hours. He makes his analysis from the 4 hours. He will now go down to 1 hours. Okay, so he actually takes his trade from the 1 hour time frame, not like the position trader that takes his trade from the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, so he takes his trade from his 1 hour time frame. He looks for his entry here. Okay, depending on his strategy. Mind you, everything I'm saying is depending on his strategy, please, because everybody's opinion of the market is different, and the market allows for divergent perceptions. Okay, so this is actually a double bottom right here. Okay, this is actually a double bottom. You can wait for a entry confirmation and decide to buy this market up, or better still, you can still decide to sell the market. So his own time frame is from the 4 hours, 1 hour. No, his time frame is from the daily 4 hours and 1 hour. He takes his trade basically from the 1 hour time frame, but some of them actually takes their trade from the 4 hours time frame. So bear it in mind, he takes a trade from the 4 hours or 1 hour time frame. So now let's actually go down to the day trader. Who is a day trader? A day trader is a trader that takes his trade daily and only closes his trade at the end of each day. He takes his trade, he holds his trade for the minimum of 1 to 24 hours each day. At the end of each trading day, he closes and looks for opportunities the next day to trade. That is why he's called a day trader. A day trader makes his analysis from the 4 hours time frame. Don't worry guys, I'm going to write them down all for you. He makes his trading decisions from the 4 hours time frame. Okay, 4 hours time frame. He will understand that, okay, this is the 4 hour time frame. We are also in a bullish. You can also look for opportunities to sell from the 4 hours time frame. He now go to that 1 hour time frame to look for his current trend, because the overall trend is a bullish trend. He comes down to his 1 hour time frame to look for the current trend in order for him to also make money at the end of the day. That's the reason why he trades actually. Yeah, so let's draw a mini trend line here. Okay, since we are already on an overall trend, okay, let's say it properly. Yes. Yes, so this is the current trend. According to his strategy, his current trend, this is his current trend. As I mentioned earlier, I said this is a double bottom right now. That's tweezer bottom right now. He might be looking for a buy opportunity for this coming week, because at the time recording this video, we are on a Saturday. So this is, he makes his analysis from the 4 hours, 1 hour, then go down to 15-minute time frame in order for him to look for his entry. As you can see, he goes down to the 15 minutes time frame in order for him to look for his entry in the market. Yeah, so this is actually the current trend right now on a 1 hour time frame down to 15-minute time frame is a bearish trend. Okay, mind you, I mentioned it earlier, it's a bearish trend. So this is a bearish trend. He might look for an opportunity for buy or a sell opportunity to carry the market downward, down to the position trader. Okay, so we also have the scalpers. The scalpers are the last people in this category. A scalper makes his analysis from the 1 hour time frame, understanding the current trend. Okay, understanding the current trend, because mind you, the overall trend is bullish. Yes, mind you, the overall trend is bullish. Okay, the overall trend is bullish. Don't worry, I'll teach you the trend line strategy someday. Okay, we'll do that next time. So the overall trend is bullish, but right now he can look for an opportunity to sell the market, okay, in order for him to make profit. So his strategy allows him to make his analysis from the 1 hours to find his current trend. Sorry, not actually from the 1 hour. Okay, it's from the 15 minutes. My bad. Let me delete this. Yes, he's fine. He looks for his current trend from the 15 minutes time frame. Actually, that's the 1 hour, the 15 minutes time frame. Might draw his trend line like this. Okay, yes, 15 minutes time frame. Then he'll be taking his trend straight from the 5-minute time frame or the 1-minute time frame respectively. Because you are seeing these candles big like this is the 5-minute time frame, please. This is the 5-minute time frame. His trend is from the 15 minutes, 5-minute and 1-minute time frame in order for him to take his positions. Okay, this is the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so he looks for, this is the 5-minute time frame, sorry. He's looking for a position. Let's say he does this, okay, according to the trend line strategy. Let's delete this, because the overall trend from the 1 hour time frame is bearish. But right now you can decide to look for an opportunity to buy the market so you can make some profit. Okay, so a scalper is a person that trades within short periods within the market. Okay, he takes his trade from 5-minute time frames, and some of them take their trade from the 1-minute time frame as well, respectively, according to that strategy. They take their trade respectively from the 1 hour time frames, so everybody can make profit in this market. The market is very genuine. So this is the 1 hour, this is the 1-minute time frame, sorry. Okay, so that is it. This is the 1-minute time frames. So the position trader makes analysis from the weekly, daily, and takes his trade from the 4 hours, while the swing trader makes his analysis from the daily, 4 hours, and executes his trades from the 1 hour, while the day trader makes his analysis from the 4 hours, 1 hour, and takes his trade on the 15 minutes, while the scalper makes his analysis from the 15 minutes, no, from the 1 hour to find his current trend, 15 minutes, and he executes his trades in the 5 minutes, and some of them in the 1 minute. Okay, so this leads us to the end of this video. Okay, so if you're having any questions, you can ask. If you have any suggestions, you can drop it on the comment zone. Okay, so guys, thank you for coming down to my screen and also learning from me today. I really appreciate it. So kindly like, subscribe to this video, and share this video to other people so that they can be able to understand better about strategy and every other thing. Okay, thank you so much, guys. So see you in the next video. Cheers. Okay guys, this is your added bonus, okay, for sticking to the end of this video. So this is the time frame from each trader, so you can actually know what to do in the market and how to go about it. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Enjoy yourself. Happy weekend.